I'm Richard Weber with Hollister Realty, and I'm seeing way too many deals fall apart for the same reason. Home inspections. They are the number one reason real estate deals are falling apart right now. Here's what's happened. Buyers have more options and tighter budgets in 2026. They're not absorbing surprise repair costs anymore. When a buyer sees deferred maintenance, they don't see potential or character. They see risk and they see dollar signs. The tolerance for fixer-upper vibes has completely evaporated. Buyers want move-in ready. So here's my advice for sellers. Get a pre-listing inspection. It usually costs between $300 and $800. This lets you find and fix issues on your timeline before a buyer's inspection turns a small problem into a deal-killing negotiation. Also, provide the ages of your home's major systems, HVAC, roof, water heater, and give them the last 12 months of your utility costs. This isn't about oversharing. It's about removing the mental discount that buyers apply when they sense uncertainty. Photos win hearts. Data wins brains, and you need both. If you're thinking about selling, let's talk about how to bulletproof your listing before it goes live.